if you currently sell on Amazon and you're doing the whole FBA program, then I highly recommend that you start selling in TikTok Shop. You can literally have the sale happen on TikTok Shop and then do the fulfillment through Amazon FBA, and you'll have some really great success. Real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith with Evolve Media, and we create content for e-commerce sellers, people selling products online, trying to increase conversion rates, increase click-through rates. We do a lot of split testing with our content. We do a lot of product photography, videography, and then graphic designing that into the infographics that drive sales. You know, they got all the sales copy and stuff. So if you want to get a free Amazon listing audit or an e-commerce business audit or get some free digital downloads, then head over to emaamz.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, and book a free Zoom call with me. TikTok is just crushing it with the whole social selling, social commerce new thing that's emerging, because they're basically getting all these free salesmen, all these little content creators are basically pushing your product for free, making content for you for free, and then just getting a commission if the product actually sells. For you, you can literally list on TikTok Shop, reach out to some of these creators, start chatting them up and saying, hey, here's my product for free, make a video, and then if you get a sale, you'll get a commission. If you don't even want to give your product away for free, you can literally just hope and pray, maybe create content, run some ads, that some influencers will just stumble across your product and then make content on their own free will, buy your product, stuff like that, and then just get a commission. But you really don't even have to reach out to them to give them a free product of yours. Then what starts to happen is an exponential increase in sales, because as other content creators start to see other people pitching products and making money, then they themselves start to do it. I mean, there are tons of TikTok influencers that literally all they do is create product-focused content, and they just make like 50 to 80 grand a month on the commissions from all their little TikTok videos. I mean, this is like a serious income opportunity for both sides, the Amazon product sellers, and it's a great opportunity for content creators to make some easy money. But once you've made 1,000 videos with all these different products, once you start to get some serious viewage, you can really get some passive income coming in. I mean, I say passive, I mean, nothing's really passive, but you can really start to get some easy money coming in from a video you made a month ago, and now all of a sudden the algorithm picked it up, or maybe it's trending, and now you're making some good affiliate dollars from it selling through. Now, Amazon has been trying to do this whole social platform selling thing, but to be honest with you, they're really sucking at it. Like, their platform just doesn't get much social traffic. They get a lot of sales traffic, but on their social side of things, like the social media side of their platform, it's just not really there. People aren't really wasting dozens of hours every week scrolling through Amazon content. They've got the sales side down, but they don't have the social media side down. TikTok has the content social media side down, and they're really starting to get that whole e-commerce side down. Now, I've been guilty of buying from TikTok, and I know I've waited like 30 to 45 days because it's coming straight out of China, but sometimes I actually do receive it pretty fast. So if you're one of those sellers in TikTok shops that is actually fulfilling pretty quickly, and you're using Amazon FBA, you're gonna have those fast fulfillment times, you're gonna stand out, and you're gonna just pump through sales. Now, you're gonna need to make sure that you are there with the inventory. And I heard a while ago, I haven't gotten a product on TikTok Shop myself, but I heard it was a bit of a tricky process. I think that's getting easier as time passes. So right now in early 2025, it should be a whole lot easier to get a product listed and live on TikTok Shop versus what it was like a year ago in 2024. But I'm telling you, if you're on the fence, if you're currently selling on Amazon, make those things happen. Get the motion going to get your products live in the TikTok Shop, because it's only going to increase, I'm telling you. Now, on one hand, you can reach out to creators and you can send them a free product. You can even pay them a little bit, maybe through Join Brands or Billo or some of the other platforms, and you can get them to post on TikTok, and that's one way, and that's gonna be a more expensive way, right? On the other hand, you can do your marketing, run your ads, hope that creators, maybe you offer a huge affiliate commission or whatever to incentivize creators to find your product, buy your product on their own. They may reach out to you and they may, ask for you to send them your product and stuff, and that's fine, maybe they do that, but if they buy your product on their own, you offer a fat affiliate commission, then you can really start to pump out some sales on TikTok, and then when they create their content, you wanna go ask them, hey, can I get your content? Or you just go and grab it. You run that as an ad on Amazon, run that as an ad on TikTok. You can even do TikTok Spark ads. If you don't know what this is, definitely look into it, because as you start to get these creators creating content and posting on their TikTok account, you can then go and grab that video, run it as an ad from your TikTok account. It's called a Spark ad. And then basically people will see that video as an ad, but it will look like it's organic content, because if they link over, they can go right to that creator's profile. All right, right, thanks for watching. Hopefully you got some value. Hopefully you take my advice and actually look into starting a TikTok shop. If you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith with Evolve Media, and we create content for e-commerce businesses. A lot of photo and video product related content that increases conversion rates, increases click-through rates because we do a lot of split testing, and overall increases sales. So if you want a free Amazon listing checklist, free organic ranking roadmap, or a free, these are all PDF digital downloads by the way, or a free product launch guide, then head over to emaamz.com, go to the bottom of the page and book a free Zoom call. And on the Zoom call, I'm gonna give you all the freebies and a listing audit and all that kind of stuff. So again, Ian with Evolve Media, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.